dear children, welcome to our English class. Our next chapter is Wonderful Waste. Yes, learning is a joyful activity. We can develop reading and understanding of the lesson. We learn new phrases and meanings in this lesson. We are going to use the same word as nouns and verbs. And we are going to learn how to recycle waste. Are you ready for the lesson, my dear children? Let us start the lesson. Once upon a time, there was a king in Travancore. Where is Travancore? Yes, it is in Kerala. Have you gone to Kerala? It is a famous tourist spot. One day, the king ordered his cook for a grand dinner in his palace. The cook started his work. He prepared so many dishes. Before the dinner, the king wanted to do some survey in the kitchen. He wanted to check the dishes. So, he entered the kitchen. He could see some more vegetable scraps in a bucket. So, he asked the cook, "What are you going to do with these vegetable scraps?" The cook replied that they all are waste and he had planned to throw them away. But the Maharaja did not accept for that. He refused for that. He told strictly, "You can't waste all these bits and pieces of vegetable." The cook asked, "What can I do with this, Maharaja?" The king said, "Find a way to use them." The Maharaja commanded sternly and walked away. The cook was in a fix. He kept staring at the vegetable scraps for some time. Suddenly, an idea flashed across his mind. Yes, he took all the vegetable bits, washed them and cleaned them well. Then he cut them into long strips. He put them in a vegetable pot. The cook boiled the vegetable scraps into a pot. He took out the grinding stone. Have you seen grinding stone? Are you using in your home? Yes, see the picture. This is the grinding stone. He ground the coconut, green chilies and garlic together into a paste. He added this paste and some salt to the cooking vegetables. Wow, a tempting smell started coming from the pot. Now he wiped some curd and added to the curry. He also poured a few spoonfuls of coconut oil and decorated the dish with curry leaves. Yes, now the new dish is ready for serving. Lo and behold, the cook served this new dish to the guests. Everyone was eager to know the name of the new dish. The cook thought and thought. Everybody asked him, what is the name of the new dish? Then a name came to his mind. He named it Avial. Avial is now one of the traditional dishes of Kerala. Imagine it came from vegetable paste. Now we are going to learn some new phrases. In a fix, a situation hard to escape from. In this lesson, what is the situation came to the cook? He had to use the vegetable paste. Flash across the mind. Suddenly think of. A sudden idea came to the cook, no? Yes. Lo and behold. Look, what a surprise. When we are in a surprise, we are using this phrase. Traditional feast. Heavy meal to many guests and occasions. There are some traditional food we are using to serve at these situations. Now try to make these phrases into your own sentences. Yes, my dear children, next one. Some words we are using them as nouns and verbs. They have different meaning. Now, with the help of the dictionary, we are going to do an assignment. Get ready with the dictionary. First, let us see the word pint. Pint is used as the verb and noun. Point is a verb. Meaning is to do in point or writing full stop. The number you score is a. It is used as the noun. Next one we are going to use as verb. To point out, to show or attention to something. Sometimes we are pointing. Yes. Next word, ground. Ground is a place where we live, play or use for something. Next one, ground. It is used as the noun, past tense of grind. Next one, survey. The noun is the detailed investigation of something. In this lesson, the king surveyed. So it is used as the verb also. Verb synonym is look carefully. Next one, scrap. The noun form is waste material or fragment. The scrap is used as the verb also. Get rid of something or cancel it. Next, coming to tempting, to alternative in a way to do something. It is used as the verb. Next one, it is used as the noun. Temptation is the noun form. Temptation is the noun form. Tempting is the adjective. So, you learnt 5 words how we are using in different ways. Did you enjoy this lesson? What do you learn from this lesson, my dears? Yes, we should not waste things. We can recycle them by our own creativity. Will you do, my dears? Now, it's our time for project. I know well you all are interested in project. I am going to give you an interesting project. Are you ready, my dears? You have to make an art using waste materials. It may be water bottle or any broken things or any waste CD like that. All the best, children. Take care. See you in the next lesson.